This video is about making a hand washing station for camping and picnic. There are inexpensive mini water pumps on Amazon. I can get one for less than $8. It can be installed onto the detergent bottles. The one I used has the capacity of 1 gallon. It takes 5 minutes to make one of this hand washer. It works well, but if my hands are dirty, I need to add a handle to turn on and off the washer. I just need to make a 3/4-inch diameter hole on the plastic cap and then insert the pump onto the cap. I used a drill to make the hole for my first hand washer. I used the soldering iron to make the hole for my second hand washer. It is that simple. I cut a piece of chloroplast to make the switch handle. It is about 1 inch wide and about 12 inches long. I flattened one end of the chloroplast strip. I applied heat and bent the chloroplast to make that right angle handle. You apply sufficient heat to melt the chloroplast. Then bend it and keep the chloroplast at 90 degrees until it cooled down. Then the chloroplast will retain the right angle shape. I used heat gun to bend the chloroplast slightly so that it would conform to the shape of the housing of the pump. Next, I inserted the wooden coffee stirrers into the channels of the chloroplast to strengthen the handle. I sealed this end of the chloroplast and the stirrers will not come out. This is a closer look of the assembly of the handle onto the pump. I used tape to secure the rubber ring, and when I push the handle down, this rubber ring will push the on-off button on the housing of the pump. I then used the rubber band to hold the handle in place on the pump. It took me about 30 minutes to make all this. It works. The indicator turns blue and the pump turns on. It's a tight fit, but it works. And then I test the handle one more time, and the pump turns on and off easily. With my first pump, I used tape to keep the handle in place, and it works equally well. I also built a camping sink. I used this hand washer on my camping sink. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I have many fun projects. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.